Dear SSC JE aspirants, welcome to Learning Abroad. In this video, I'll be discussing the general intelligence and reasoning of paper 1 of the SSC JE examination. Now, the more details regarding the examination syllabus pattern and the important dates, you can look at the description below. You'll find a link to my web page wherein all the details are there. Now, there are 50 questions in this part of general intelligence and reasoning. Now, 25 questions I'll be solving in this video, and another 25 I'll be solving in the subsequent video. Now, let's move on to the first question. Now, this is a 2018 paper that I'm discussing now. That was the last time the JEE examination was held. So, the first question here is on word analogy. So, you find in this 50 questions, you find a lot of questions on word analogy, number series, and the non-verbal reasoning series you will find. Okay, so in this we have a word analogy where it is like coding decoding, alphabet based coding decoding is the question here. So we are given Tom and its equivalent is Nig, and we have to find a matching analogy. Okay, so these are like not exactly meaningful words, so it is like coding decoding. So T, we have something for T is coded as, so the meaning is like T is coded as N, O is coded as I, and M is coded as G. So it could be either based on alphabetical order or like alphabetical order from left to right or from right to left. So it can be either way. Okay, or it can be this is like common part. Okay, or it can be something even other than that. Okay, but we'll always have some clue where we can predict. Now the basic thing to do is search, like look at like the position of T in the alphabetical order, position of N in the alphabetical order, and so on. So let's just try to do that. Now so for when you want to solve these questions, like it is in your rough paper. Okay, it is actually better to write down like all the alphabets in the alphabetical order from left to right and right to left. Now that way it will be more easy for you to solve these questions, because it is very difficult to remember all the alphabets, the numbers. Okay, so let us see what can be done here. Now T is okay, let's write this first. Now T is E is 5, J is 10, O is 15, and T is 20. As of now, we'll have this. So T is 20. What is N? N's position is 14. And O is 15. I's position is 9. M is 13. G's position is 7. So the difference is 6. So 20 minus 6 is 14. So that should be the mapping. Okay, so minus 6 is the relation for all these alphabets. So now E minus 6 is, now E is here. So this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5, and minus 6 is Y. So E and Y. So we can immediately mark the answer as the answer option A. So first question, the answer is answer option A. But if you want to confirm, we can also confirm for the remaining alphabets. Now A, we want to, if you have to take minus 6, then this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and minus 6 is U. So E minus 6 is Y, A minus 6 is U, and T minus 6 should be N. Even that we can confirm. That we have already got here. So T minus 6 is N. And also the other way is that we can even start from there. Like we can start from the answer choice. So in the answer choice you have T, right? So T minus 6 is N. So for this t, we should have n. So based on that also we could have solved this, right? Instead of going from e to y, we can also would have gone from t to n. So that is also correct. So that's the answer for the first question, is answer option A. Now the next one, another similar question. Just a second. So this is also an alphabet based coding and analogy question. We'll do a similar approach. So L and P. Now again we'll write the numbers, like E is 5, J is 10. Now L is 12. So L is 12 and P is 16. So it is plus 4. Now E is 5 and J is 10. So this is like plus 5. Let's see. Let's like wait and confirm what is the exact relationship. Now R is 18. R is 18 and V is 22 and I is 9 and N is 14. So what we have here is, this is like plus 4 and this is like plus 5. Okay, so first letter, so if I have MONT, now of course I can choose from the answer choice. That's very much possible that I can do that. Okay, so but if you want to actually solve it, so M plus 4, M plus 4, M is this, plus 4 is Q. So now we immediately know this is the answer option B. We can mark the answer and move on, but if we just want to confirm all the alphabets, now I want like O plus 5. O plus 5, O is 15, and so I have T, and I want N plus 4. N plus 4. So N is 14, plus 4 is R, and T. T plus 5. So T plus 5 is Y. So QTRY is my answer. We have already answered that. Answer option B for the second question. Now the third one, another similar one. So SAT S-A-T. Now yes, let me mark the alphabets: 5, 10, 15 and 20. Now S is 19 and W is 23. A is 1, E is 5, T is 20 and X is 24. So very simple, it is just plus 4. Okay, plus 4. Now I have MET. Now M is here 13. So M plus 4 is Q. So I know QIX is the answer. QIX is the answer. Now E is 5. So E plus 4 is I. And then T. T is 20. T we already know. Now this is again, see, if I, now TX I have in the first pair that is given. But from that, even if I get, okay, T is X, I still have two options. So I have, so it's better we start from M to Q. Okay, so answer is answer option D. So the moment we get the first alphabet, we know for sure, like this is the answer. So they're not even giving us, like multiple possibilities, like multiple options where you have the first letter as common. Okay, so it's very easy. Even not only this question, even the previous question was like this, where it is very easy for us to crack the answer. Now this is how most of the questions are given in the SSC JEE examination in the general intelligence part. Now to the next question. Very simple. So 4 and 3, you have 7, 2 and 3. Now all you have is single digit, and 4 from 4 and 3 you can easily make a guess. 4 plus 3 is 7. So what is 2 plus 3? 5. So this is answer option D. Okay. I repeat, 4 plus 3 leads to 7. So this is what is the relationship here. Plus, okay, sum of the digits. So 2 plus 3 leads us to 5. So answer option D, 5. Now the next question, 38 and 53, 53 to what? Okay, now again based on the given options here we can guess. Now 38 plus 15, because other options like 3 plus 8 or 3 into 8, okay, so that is not working out for 53. So possible relationship is 38 plus 15 is 53. Now 53 plus 15, that is 68, that is there in the answer choice, answer option B. So B is the answer for that. Fifth question. The next one. Now 9, 81, 11. So this is again easy guess. 9 square is 81. So what is 11 square? It is 121. So for these kind of questions, you don't even have to first look at the answer choice. You can just directly get the answer, and then you can look at the answer choice whether you have the answer there. So it's just square. The next question, rains, clouds. Okay, so here instead of like a pattern like alphabetical order or coding decoding, we have word analogy related to meanings. Okay, so what is the meaning like of the pair? Okay, so what is the relationship between instead of pattern or position? Okay, in terms of meaning, what is the relation that we are looking for? Okay, so rain and cloud, one way of looking at is cloud, okay, is a source of rain. Okay, cloud is a source of rain. Now if you use that relation, and like if you look for an analogy, now you can say that option C, sun, is a source of heat. So answer option C is the answer. Okay, whereas food, you can't say like it's a source of rice. Okay, so rice is like is one of the food varieties, you can say, or you can say like color. Okay, now gray is a type of color. Okay, now the word color is not exactly a source, right? So similarly, you can like remove option D as well. So what is left is option C. So as you can see that you have sun, that's a source for heat. So answer is option C. Now the next question, cactus and plant. Okay, so cactus is a type of plant. Cactus is a type of plant, and what is rice? It is a type of crop. It is a type of crop. So that's a perfect analogy. So that's answer option B. Next question, color pink. Okay, so color pink is one of the colors. Now easy guess, bird. Okay, eagle is a type of bird, or we can say one of the birds. Okay, so here again answer is option C. Very similar to the previous question. So now here we have odd one out. Based on the meaning, we have to talk about the odd one out. Okay, so we have goggles, purse and belt. Okay, and then accessory. Now all these are accessories, but you have the word accessory, which is a very generic term. So this is your answer. Okay, accessories is the answer because that's a very generic term. Now goggles or purse or belt are specific accessories. Okay, now this is a very general term, and the other rest of the three are specific terms. So answer is answer option C for question number 10. Again, we have to find the odd word from the given alternatives. So we have grapes, guava, cauliflower, and orange. It's an easy guess. Now, grapes, guava, and orange are fruits, whereas cauliflower is a vegetable, right? So it's a vegetable. So the answer is answer option C, cauliflower, because the others are fruits and this is a vegetable. Question number 11. Question number 12. Again, we have to find the odd word from the given alternatives. Sparrow, ostrich, parrot are birds. Okay. So they are in common. Okay. Now rat is different. So answer is rat. Whereas the others are birds. Answer option B for that question. Now in the following question, select the odd letters from the given alternatives. So for this, since like they don't look like meaningful words, maybe we need to make use of this alphabet order again. We may have to use it. I'll just take it and place and see what is happening here. Now GCXTOKGBX. Okay. So let me. E is 5, J is 10, O is 15, T is 20. Okay, and of course Y is 25. So G, the position is 7, G is 7, C is 3, X is 24, T is 20, and O is 15. Okay, so if I have to write it down separately, G, C, X, T, O, I have like position is 7, 3, 24, 20, and 15. And the next option is like K, G, B, X, S. Okay. Now K is like 11, G is 7, B is 2, X is 24, and S is 19. And if I write the next option, RNIEX. Now R is 19, N is 14, I is 9, and E is 5, and X is 24. Okay. So the next one we have Q, M, H, D, and Y. Now Q position is 17, M is 13, H is 8, and D is 4, and Y is 25. Possibly we may have a pattern here. Now this is 17 to 13 is -4, 13 to 8 is -5, 8 to 4 is -4. Now 4 to -5 would be Y. Okay, so this is we have D -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. So QMHDY, that is the right pattern. Whereas in terms of others, okay, even if you take here, so these are like the numbers are not like, so you have 7, 3, 24, 20. So we are not exactly able to detect a pattern there. And here it is like we have -5 and then -5, then we have -6, then X is like minus 1, 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and minus 7. Okay, so here also we are not able to detect any pattern. So answer for this question is answer option D, because from the first letter to next letter minus 4, from second to third minus 5, from uh, third to fourth we have minus 4, and then fourth to fifth we have minus 5. So that is a pattern. So that is a specific pattern there, whereas others are not exactly based on a particular pattern. So answer is answer option D for that. So among the questions we have solved so far, this is pretty lengthy, but again if we have this like alphabetical order, I think from the numbers we can easily get the answer, though it is actually time consuming. So next, again we have a pattern here, not specifically based on meaning. Okay, so it is a question based on pattern. So we'll write the numbers we have. Sorry, we have S O K G A W S O R N J F C Y T and P. Now if we look at the numbers, now S is 19, O is 15, K is 11, G is 7. Okay, so probably we have a pattern here, but let's anyhow check. So A is 1, W is 23, W is 23, S is 19 and O is 15. Okay, and R and JF, R is 18, N is 14, J is 10 and F is 6. So probably answer should be CYTP, because all the others have like 4 less. If you less 4 you get this. That is anyhow check. Now C is like 3, Y is 25, T is 20, now P is 16. So this is minus 4, okay, whereas this is minus 5, and then this is again minus 4. So here that pattern is not there. So all others have minus 4, minus 4, etc. in all the other options for every from one alphabet to the other alphabet, but whereas in the fourth option that pattern is not there. Okay, from the second alphabet to the third alphabet it is not there. So answer is answer option D. Okay, now the next one. So again we have something similar to the previous two questions. So again we are in need of this alphabetical pattern. Okay, so in the exam I think probably if you write this once in your rough paper, it's going to be like helpful for all these questions. So once you finish these set of questions, you can go for the other questions. So the four options, if I have to list it down, I have K, N, Q, D, G, J and W, Z, B and T, W, Z. Okay, so K is 11, N is 14 and Q is 17, D is 4, G is 7, J is 10. Now W is 23, Z is 26 and B is 2 and T is 20, W is 23 and dz is 26. So you add 3, you get all this. For all these answer choices you have plus 3 plus 3, but here what happens, 23 plus 3 is 26, but 26 plus 3, it should be C. If C is there, then it is in pattern with all the other options, but instead of C it is given B. So this is our answer. This is not part of the pattern, so this states different from the pattern, so this is the odd one out, answer option C. Now let's go to the next question. Now select the following question, select the odd number from the given alternatives. So 7 to 11, 12 to 16, 14 to 18, 19 to 16, very easy. So this is like plus 4, this is 12 to 16 is plus 4, 14 to 18 is plus 4, but this is plus 6. So answer is answer option D for question number 16. Very easy one. Now question number 17. Odd one out. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 5 square is 24, 4 and 18, we don't have any direct relationship like that, okay, or at least we can say it is not a square, for all the others are squares, right? So all the other pairs are the number and its square, but this is not, so answer is answer option C for question number 17. Another very easy question. Question number 18, we have to find the odd pair from the given alternatives. So easy guess, 7 into 6 is 42, 7 into 3 is 21, 9 into 3 is 27, so 9 into 2 it should be 18 here, whereas it is 20, so this is our answer. So here relationship is multiplication, so answer is answer option B for question number 18. So 7 into 6 is 42, 7 into 3 is 21, 9 into 3 is 27, okay, whereas here you have 92, that is if we take 9 into 2 it should be 18, but it is given 20 here, so that is our answer. The next one, we have to arrange the given the words in sequence, okay, in which as they occur in a dictionary. Okay, now if we have to go for this, now first thing, let us write whatever is in common. So F, okay, and this, even for this, it is, though all of us know the alphabets, it is better to write the alphabetical order like this, so that like we are able to pick it very easily. First let us write what is common. So FL, that part is common, FL is common, and then A is common, okay, for 4 A is common, okay, so 5 FLI. So this fourth one should be the fifth alphabet, so we can rule out option C and option D, so that we don't make any mistakes. Let's be very clear about it. Okay, now once we know that the answer is not option C or D, from the answer choice itself we can see 2, 5, 4 are in the order. Okay, so that's common between both the options. So we have to decide between 1 and 3, that is between flagrant and flatter. Between flagrant and flatter, we know G is ahead. Now for this we don't even need the alphabetical order, the alphabets, this arrangement is not even required. So between flagrant and flatter, we know G comes before T. We know G comes before T in the alphabetical order, so it is flagrant first. Okay, so it is 1, 3, 2, 5, 4. So I don't even have to write all the words. Okay, so a combination of various strategies we can get the answer. So answer is answer option A for question number 19. Now next, question number 20, we have another question, same alphabetical order we have to place. But here, instead of asking for the order, they are asking what is the third letter. Okay, so here as we can see, HE is common. HE is common for all the 5. Okay, now if we look at the third letter, we can see R is common. R is common. Okay, so we'll have hectic here, C here, and then L here, and then we have R. Now, in this R, we have heroism, heroic, okay, and then heritage, right? Now, so her is common for the last three. So her is common for the last three. What we need is this third number is what we need, right? Now, in the alphabetical order, now between O, now fourth letter, we have to check whether it is O or I. Now, in the alphabetical order, definitely I comes before O, right? So, heritage is my answer. Answer option B is the answer for question number 20, right? Now, the next question, question number 21. From the given alternatives, according to the dictionary, which word will come last in the position? So, you have to arrange these four answer choices in the alphabetical order, and we have to say which one comes the order last. So, we have, I think here it is easy to pick because JU anyhow is common. Now, when you look at the uh, third letter, okay, that is between V, S, and S and D, right? So, we have S is common, okay, for these two letters. Now, D comes first, okay, fine. So, this will be the first letter, and then we have S. X comes next to D, right? So, this will be like among these two, you will have 2 and 3, and V comes after S. So, we can straight away predict that this is the fourth letter. This is the last position, that's juvenile. So, answer is option A. Juvenile is the answer for question number 21. The next one, a series in which one term is missing. So, we have to find the missing one. Again, it's better to have this alphabet list. Okay, so let us write down the positions quickly. F is 5, J is 10, I'm sorry, E is 5, E is 5, J is 10, O is 15, and this is 20. So what we have, F is 6, M is 13, T is 20, and something is missing, and then we have H is 8, H is 8, and we have O, which is 15. So as we can see, all are plus 7. 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 plus 7 is 20, 20 plus 7 is 27, which means it should be A. Okay, A, which is the first alphabet. Now 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15. So answer is option C, it's B. I'm sorry, answer option C, that's answer A. That is F M T dash H O, right? So plus 7, and plus 7, and then plus 7. Okay, 1 plus 7 is 8, and then 8 plus 7 is 15. So answer is answer option C. The alphabet A should be here. That's answer for question number 22. Now 23. So we have to find which will complete this. We have a series, we have to find which one will complete, though the question is which one will complete the series. So let us see connection in terms of the individual letters. So R is 18. R is 18, O is 15, and K is 11. K is 11. Now, if you take L, L is 12, I is 9, and E is 5. And if you take F, F is 6, C is 3, and Y is 25. That is minus 4. Minus 4. Now here Z is like 26. Z is 26, and W is 23, and S is 19. Okay, that is the first alphabet is like minus 6 from the previous one, and the second alphabet minus 6 from the previous series, and the second alphabet is you have to subtract, I mean it is 3 positions to the left, you can say. So you can say it is like minus 3, and then it is minus 4 from here. This is the pattern. So even without, of course we can pick it from the answer choice, or even without answer choice also we can still get the answer. So 26 minus 6 would be, 26 is Z, so minus 6 from here would be F. Okay, that is 6. Now so we have 18, 12, 6 and 26. I'm sorry, minus 26 minus 6 from there would be T. So answer is answer option C. You can just conclude that answer is answer option T. So this is T, and 3 less than that, 3 is 20, 3 less than that is 17, that's Q, and 4 less than that, Q is like 17, 4 less than that is 13, that's M. So TQM. Answer option C is the answer for question number 23. Now the next one. So we have to complete the series, something is missing. So we have to identify a pattern like how we have done for the previous question. So let's just quickly write down the position for easy identification. So 5, 10, 15 and 20 and 25. So F is like 6, this is 1, and Q is 17, and L is 12, G is 7, and W is 23, and R is 18, and M is 13, and C is 3. Okay, so 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18, 18 plus 6 should be 24. So 24th letter is X. So starting with X, so this is the answer, we can mark it and move on, right? But if at all, if you want to confirm the answer, X is like 24th letter. Now less 5 from X. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's X, yes. And then add, like 16 to this. So S plus 16. No, S is 19. So 19 plus 16 is 35. Now you have 26 alphabets. Okay, 26 alphabets. So add 9 to that. Okay, I mean 26 alphabets. So it will be ninth question from so 26 alphabet ends at Z. So we have to again start at A. So A plus, like from, if you start from A, ninth position is I. So XSI is the answer. That's answer option B for question number 24. And question number 25. Select the missing number from the given alternative. So we have 14 to 22 to 49 to 113 to 118. We have to find the next number in the series. Right. So the relationship here, now 14 plus 8 is 22, 22 plus 27 is 49, plus 64 is 113, plus 125 is 238. So what is 2, 8, 27, 64 and 125? It is like 2 cube, 3 cube. You're adding by cubes, 4 cube and 5 cube, and you should add 6 cube next. So 6 cube is 216. So 238 plus 216, that should be like 454. That's answer option C. So with this, I have completed the first 25 questions. Now the next 25 questions I'll discuss in the next video. Thanks for joining the session. For more details regarding this exam, please look at the description below. You'll find a link to my web page that has got all the details. Thanks for joining.